Good afternoon, peeps. I hope you're very well. Thank you for joining me on my new episode today. It is absolutely beautiful here in England on a Friday around about 3 o'clock. I finished work early on Friday, so yeah, I've got something to install today. You guys would have seen this video on how to do it, but I'm just thinking I've not done any videos in a while, so I'm going to do this again. I'm not going to bore you. I'm not going to let you watch me do both sides. I'm going to do one side and then we'll go from there. This is an unboxing video combined in this video as well, guys. So there's an install and an unboxing, just to save me making two videos, and also it saves you guys having to sit through two videos and listen to me yabber on. But anyway, guys, I have gone spending. Yeah, there's some more stuff coming though, guys, stay tuned. But for now, I needed to get these done because I've got an MOT coming, and yeah, I'll explain. So, more hard race stuff. So I'll spin the camera around and let's get into this quick unboxing and then install it. Stay tuned. Oh wow, look how lovely and blue the sky is today. Oh, absolutely gorgeous here in Englandshire. Oh, so hot. Not complaining, not complaining, not complaining. Anyway, I hope you're all very well. This is a Friday. By the time this video comes out, it would be a weekend. But anyway, I finish work early on Fridays, which is awesome. Every Friday as well. So this job, I'm loving it. So yeah, I've gone buying from these people. Hey, Hard Race, come on, get in contact with me. Sponsor. Anyway, let's get into this. These are front adjustable, not adjustable actually. These are just front drop links. So if you're looking for some reinforcement stabilizer kit, comes with everything. So let's get into it quickly. So there they are, guys. So these are Hard Race front drop links for the ST, and I think they're for Mark II RS as well, and they're for a Mazda 3. Okay, so Mazda, I've seen that a lot with Hard Race and some parts. That Mazda 3 stuff weirdly fits these cars. So the rear trailer arms, Hard Race ones I put on the back of the ST, were also fit for a Mazda 3. But anywho, so these are Hard Race. These are much thicker than the standard Ford ones, and also you can see the Hard Race signature colour in blue here, polyurethane. Wow, that is thick as hell. Wow. And yeah, oh, it's actually got the thing here in the middle. You can put an Allen key in there to stop it from spinning, which is good. So it saves me getting the other jack out. Oh my god. Yeah, they're stiff. I just hope they move when they're on the car, because I've got to try and wriggle them into place. But yeah, I've still got one of the standard Ford ones, so I'll go and grab that quickly and then we compare the sizes. So yeah, that's lucky. I still kept one of the standard Ford ones, just because I've thought if any reason that these adjustable ones failed, I always have a spare one. Only one, because yeah, I had to chop the other one off, as you remember. So yeah, you can immediately see the thickness, because this is a standard Ford OEM one, and this is a Hard Race one. So the pole is, you can just tell it's thicker. I mean, look at the heads as well. So thinner, slightly thicker. You can see the difference in thickness, but this is the problem with my adjustable ones. This bit here, and I think the actual shaft on the adjustables is slightly thicker. It's about that thick, I think. Keeps catching under the wheel arch. So I needed to get these on there because I can't stand that grinding, knocking, and yeah, it's taking the steering wheel a little bit. It's only happened since I've installed the lower Hard Race wishbones, which sucks. Now I've got to go and buy these now, but never mind. These are about 60 quid, the Hard Race ones. So let's get rid of that Ford one and install these. After you take your wheel off, also just inspect everything. It's a good time to do that while you're under there. For some reason my camera's zooming in by itself. That's a bit weird. What's it doing that? Sorry guys, 2 secs. Obviously this is the drop link, this is the adjustable one, as you can see. But yeah, it's catching, you can see all the scrape marks, all these scrape marks here. What it does, when I brake, it catches on the lip up here, and it makes a horrible noise. As you can see, it's quite thick compared to the hard race one and the standard Ford one. This pole as well is much thicker. This pole is much thicker as well, so I wonder if it's catching around here as well. It's only happened since I've installed the hard race lower wishbones. It's only started catching, so I don't know if these have some sort of I know this does something to the camber, or I don't know, but yeah, it's done something. So they need to go, and quickly. So yeah, let's get these off. I'm going to need some mole grips, and I can't remember what size that socket is now, but yeah, let's go and grab some tools. Okay guys, so I've taken that off so far, the bracket for the brake sensor. So yeah, I've done 1 bolt so far. Just, you do need 2 jacks, it is handy. I mean, I could use that one if I put an axle stand under it, but I'm just being lazy. So for this sort of job guys, anyone out there who's buying these off me, or if you got these and you're wondering how to fit them, so you need some mole grips just to hold it back and stop them from spinning, and there's a size 17 socket, alright, to get them off. So I've just jacked it back up, put a bit of weight and pressure because it needs that to get a bit loose, and as you can see, it won't actually come out, it catches the back. So that's how thick they are now. So I'm going to need to undo it from down there and pull it out from down there, and then pull it out from the top. So I need to crack on down there. Hope you guys can see all right, because I can't see. Tight, very tight, that one. Oh, I've got it though, I've cracked it, so it should now come out quite easily. Ta-da! And see, that's quite loose now, it's out. So what I've got to do now is just leave the pressure. There they are, and there we have them guys. Wow, yeah, so the adjustable ones with polyurethane bushes, and then adjustable here. But yeah, they're alright, just not what I need. I just need to check quickly though. Yeah, as you can see, the width is thinner. Actually, I think it's about there. So yeah, you can see these hard race ones should not catch, and I think it's catching on here as well. It's a shaft is quite slightly thicker. But yeah, let's get this one on and crack onto the other side. Getting very, very hot out here now. Before I put them in, I just want to show you what it was doing. So you can see all the scrape marks. There it is, all the scrape marks it was doing, catching on that lip up there as well. So that's what it's doing. The other side's even worse. So yeah, hopefully these new ones should stop that happening. Look how nice it looks under it though. Let's get this on. So as you can see, it's up there, it's much longer. So I need to jack it up again. But before I do that, I need to put the locking bolt in there, which is the ones they supply. It's got the locking ring in there, so it shouldn't undo itself. Okay, I just dropped that. Take 2. It's going up. Compress it. Almost there. problem with lowered cars. You don't realise how much travel they actually have. So now I've got to try and squeeze that in there then, guys, alright? I'll be back in a sec. Alright, and that's on. I've bent this back a bit more because it was actually tugging on its wire, which isn't good. But anyway, yeah, it's on, it's tight, and it looks good. Blends in nicely. Lots of room behind here. I'll turn the wheel a little bit because it does help getting this top one in. You have to turn the wheel a little bit, but that's all on now, and it actually feels stiffer, you know, because I never actually got the adjustable ones adjusted properly on the car, which is probably why it's a little bit floppy. So if you'd done it properly, I'm sure these would be great, but for me, as I said, they were catching and it just wasn't doing me any justice. And yeah, there's a little bit of a scuff on there, but anywho, that is on. Before I get onto the other side, I just want to quickly clean it up under it. Guys, that looks better, a bit cleaner. Yeah, God, it looks good. Hard race. And just under there somewhere, Vibrotechnics lower gearbox mount. Over there. Down there. Looking actually good under here. And yes, the car's lowered, guys. Someone messaged me the other day, what sort of suspension is it? IBAC springs on here, front and rear. And I don't know if they're standard shocks, I don't know if they're IBACs, I don't know. But anyway, all this setup's going to be changing later on, guys, as you know. I'm going to buy some coilovers for the car. Going to get a nice set on there. And yeah, and then that should be the suspension done, really. I'm not going to go too nuts and put hard bushes all around the car, because it is my daily and I do want some sort of comfort. But coilovers should give me that nice rigidityness. And then I'm going to get a strut brace. I'm not going to tell you too much. You just have to wait and see. But anyway, this is done. Let's get the wheel on and then crack on to the other side. Right guys, before I crack on to the other side, let me just quickly explain what tools you may want to use and need for doing this very simple install. So if you get yourself some hard race drop links like I've got, or the adjustable ones like I've got, so you're going to need one of these hex ones. I think this is size 5, to go inside the middle. As you can see, it goes in there. It just basically stops this bit from spinning in the middle, so you can get the nut on and off nice and easy. So you're going to need one of those. You might need a ratchet. Sometimes it doesn't spin, sometimes ratchets help to get it on. You definitely will need a spanner. 17mm socket. You're going to need some mole grips. You're going to need a spare jack if you've got one. If you haven't, whack your car up on axle stands and use your existing jack to put pressure on the lower wishbone to push up the suspension, so then the anti-roll bar will stay where it is when you undone it all. And if you're like me and you like to keep your car anally clean underneath, I just use this very strong glass cleaner. It gets grease and dirt and everything off. No matter what is stuck on there, it gets off. And this stuff is really good. And I can't believe how good it actually is. And I'll just use it for everything underneath the car anyway, and in the engine bay, because it's, like I said, it's very heavy duty cleaning, glass cleaner stuff. And just an old rag. And you might need a rattle gun or a didgeridoo thing. One of those. Can't remember what it's called now. Torque wrench. Boom. Let's get the wheel off. Onto this one. Right then guys, so on this side is the worst, like I was saying earlier. My wire stuck. Whoa, look at the amount of scrapage that's gone on under here. Wow, this, I don't know why this side's worse. That could be why. I think my shock absorber's a bit fucked. That boot's split and it looks like it's been leaking as well. It looks like I'll be getting my coilovers sooner than I thought then, guys. Okay, anyway, let's get this side off. It's been scraping really badly. Well, there's a lip here. There's a lip up here. It dips in, so that's probably what it catches on when I brake. It's all sturdy. I must say, this cheap drag shaft has held up very well to the abuse cycle of this car. It's no wobble, it's just a little bit of movement like it should have. I still need to put a new CV boot on because it is split. Other than that, I've got a polyurethane CV boot I'm going to order, and I will put a new boot on. Ah shit, I need to do that quite soon actually because I've got MOT and I. So that'll be the next video. Let's get this off. And there we have it. That's the hard race front stabilizer, anti-roll bar, drop links in polyurethane with thicker shafting installed with the hard race front wishbones. So it's looking good under here. We'll get myself some coilovers soon. Other than that though guys, this has been the install video. I hope you enjoyed it, and the unboxing video as well. Wow. And yeah, look how beautiful and sunny it is out there. So go and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and if it is nice and sunny where you are, enjoy the sun while it's out. Take it easy out there guys. There are a lot of idiots out on the road lately because the nice weather sort of brings them out. I've had a few morons lately on the road, so take it easy, take care of yourselves as always, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Thanks very much for watching, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget, either one of these corners down there, you can subscribe to the channel and show love, support. Don't forget guys, I have got merchandise, key tags and mugs, coasters, stickers. So yeah, you want any of that stuff guys, send me a message and we'll sort something out. You feel like donating as well to the channel and contributing to the channel and to the build, yeah, feel free to get in contact with me, and yeah, donate anything you wish guys, because like I said, like I keep saying, I want to keep making this channel for you guys. I want to keep doing these videos for you, and every bit of help from you guys as well can keep this channel going. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Right, time to get the wheel on, then go wash the car, and then go for a nice drive afterwards. Stay tuned though guys, because I will do a review later on how these are holding up and if they are knocking or not, which I hope they won't be. I like that, it's very nice. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Oh, such a nice day out. Such a nice day.